Hello guys, my name is Rituj and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of software and mastering data, validation with or focal or filter, grouping and sorting. Data validation is critical for ensuring accuracy and efficiency when working with large data set in Excel. And these three tools are absolute game changers. So whether you are seasoned Excel pro or just starting out, stick around because by end of this video you will be data validation ninja. Now we look data validation. Data validation is very important in the sense that it helps us on respect that can be avoided. Now we check how to use data validation. Click on the Data tab, select the cell, click on Data validation. You will get the following dialog window. Click on Error Alert tab. Enter the alert title and message and shown in the brand gap below. Click on OK button. Try to enter a score. You will get the following error message. Now we look understanding filter. Let's kick things off with filters. These handy tools allow you to shift through mountains of data with aids, helping you find exactly what you need in no time. I will show you step by step how to apply filter to your data set or simple text filters to more advanced customer filters. For instance, imagine you have a sales report with tons of entries. With filters, you can quickly isolate cells from a specific region or within a central date range, making analysis a breeze. Now we look grouping. This feature is like magic for organizing and summarizing your data, especially when dealing with large sets. I will walk you through the process of grouping rows and columns and show you how to create subtotals and summaries effortlessly. You have an inventory list with hundreds of items while grouping them based on categories. You can instantly see how many items you have in each category and their total value. mastering sorting. This is the secret sauce for making your data more readable and presentable. I will demonstrate how to sort your data in ascending or descending order, or even sort by multiply columns for more advanced organization. Let's say you're managing a report schedule with sorting. We can arrange tasks by priority or deadline, making it easier to stay on track and meet deadlines. Now, let's put everything into action with some practical examples. We will analyze sales data by applying filters to focus on specific region. Then group the data by product categories. And finally, sort into identify top selling item. So there you have it. Filters, grouping and data sorting are the holy trinity of data validation in Excel, and mastering them will take your data analysis skills to the next level. And I encourage you to practice this technique on your own data sets and see the magic happen firsthand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more ExcelTips or tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content.